I'm telling you today, take it from me. A lot of women, they don't know what orgasm is. They've never reached the climax. Never, ever, ever. I'm telling you.
So then why?
One time, somebody interviewed Sugar Titi. She said she has never. Do you hear that?
I beg you. But she has her own problem. That's one a spiritual problem. May you have an argument to be an argument in a day between men and women. It be who really they enjoy sex, who they benefit from sex more.
So my point is, please, are you aware a lot of men don't even know what orgasm is?
A lot of men.
No, women.
Women.
A lot of women, they don't even know what orgasm is.
Is it that no brofuna now that they've no experience?
They've not experienced orgasm. I say, they've
no experience.
They've not reached there for you to say, oh, she enjoyed it. And women fake a lot when it comes to sex. Sisterhood, please. When was the last time you came?
Have you ever seen a man complaining that a woman is not good in bed?
Oh, they do. Yeah. They do.
How many times? Compared to that of your gender?
Because a lot of many people are not good in bed, that's all.
We are not good in bed.
Yeah. And women, we fake a lot.
But we know that you are fake people.
We can fix someone for you.
And someone can say you're fake.
See, you be lying on somebody that should be doing that. I'm telling you.
But are you sure everything
female
is
genital mutilation? We don't. Yeah. My clitoris is there. Trust me.
Are you sure?
Everything is perfect. I
don't understand why you are not coming.
But when you put your tongue there, I'll come. But when you come, the game is over.
No. You know, Hammer used to have a signature called the second coming.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget. If you don't get it. Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.
All right, I say beautiful people. We're from DJ Parker Rich. Hanami at Parker Rich Studios, and we are here to vibe. So today on the show, may we be our friend Reza Saki, or yeah, that's gang girl. But no side be a fancy, but fancy is on set. She know they speak. Now, may I have an argument to be an argument in a day between men and women. It be who really they enjoy sex, who they benefit from sex more. But her points be say it be men where they enjoy sex. But me as a man and with the experience that I have, and I feel like in Besiafuna will enjoy sex more pa. The reason being that Charlie, if a man is not performing well or a man is not doing his stuff well in bed, it is when you attract all this respect from Mbesiafo. Wo Gary was the best for my mom. But when a man is doing his thing, you realize that the woman will wake up in the morning and she'll be singing all songs of praises. Yeah, that was sing. And she'll be sweeping, making noise. Reza wants to prove me wrong there. Men, they enjoy past women. Reza, what be your point?
So my point is, please, are you aware a lot of men don't even know what orgasm is?
A lot of men.
No, women.
Women.
A lot of women, they don't even know what orgasm is.
Is it that no brofuna now that they've no experience?
They've not experienced orgasm. I say, they've no
experience.
They've not reached there for you to say, oh, she enjoyed it. And women fake a lot when it comes to sex. I'm telling you, see, women, I don't even want to use myself as an example, but women.
Oh, you can use yourself as an example.
Women fake. Out of 100 people, out of 100 women, I can say 5% are not saying be na I'm telling you, see, take it from me, I'm a woman. Take it from me. A lot of Obama only will be no matter what. I don't want to say no matter what he will release.
Feel free.
No matter what he will release, but women suffer. Like, let me put myself. I hardly come.
You hardly come.
Hardly.
Then I guess maybe you are dealing with the wrong partners or mentally.
No, it's not mentally.
Not in your okay.
Sometimes I feel like it's the body. Like it's the body type.
Now body type no or attractor now.
It's not, but it's just that I'm telling you, see, take it from me that men enjoy sex more than women. Because tell me why you tell me women enjoy sex more than men, but men will end up coming and the women.
Well,
nothing.
At the cry, you are getting it wrong. That the fact that sperm if he's really enjoyed sex or there's between.
Okay, so you and I are having sex.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying it. Let's say I'm enjoying it.
Yeah.
And I don't come, but you come.
You see, do women get wet?
Yeah, we do. And some don't. Some don't.
No, when you get wet, doesn't mean that you've had orgasm.
No.
So doesn't mean that when you release sperms, nature there, yeah, orgasm.
It gets to that peak that you can't even take it anymore. That's when you release.
Now haven't you noticed that when you be on your way, you won't see anything, bro. Then you just go drop. Then
some are silent, like
because he's not enjoying it.
It's not true.
It's not. Hey,
there are men that they mourn, and there are men who don't mourn. So the fact that he doesn't mourn and he comes in silence doesn't mean say he didn't enjoy it.
When you be about money, be an an inspiration. We don't onye be no onye.
No, some are naturally mourners. I'm telling you.
I would be be a mourner my answer that.
Yeah.
How did the man sound like?
Why should I?
Of course, because you need to show evidence, else you go to explain tire.
What do you mean? I need to show evidence. I don't know.
Of course, as being a mourn.
Yeah, they do.
Me, every some day be see a morning, then I can show. Come na kumi on your share. When
a man is mourning and is there, you can hardly even hear his voice.
Which means they are not enjoying. See now, Mama
you don't have a point, oh. See,
Mama Chop points and see. All this are for this year's main for fee. The dragon sprays and all these things. Do you know what it does to them? Now, when they put these sprays on their manhood, or today, damage spray be na aerob football or they play football where you get injured that they put them on arm. So they make them at tip of them at dick and they make them
My cousin said it makes it feels like rubber.
Yes.
But why do you use it?
So they don't actually feel anything. The goal is that this man wants to take you to that promised land. So he doesn't even care about himself coming.
No, if your man don't try that with me, and I will harm because I won't come.
I will come and maybe then.
See, I'm telling you that a lot of
women are spiritual.
A lot of women don't know. It's not me. A lot of women don't come. I'm telling you. Go to the street and interview people and ask them. A lot of women don't come.
It is because one. Now I'm sure as a lot of women they don't come. Most women are impatient. The reason is that naturally, when you are having sex with a man, a normal man or God created him within the first
1, 2, 3 minutes.
1, 2, 3 minutes. It's normal.
Yeah.
Then he comes. But the character that the modern girls have developed in it, once the man comes, Elino, like, yo, young man, what did you just do? Shit. Sometimes.
But when you come, the game is over.
No.
What is no?
Have you heard Hammer's song?
Wait. So when you come, you are not coming to put your hand in my thing and be
say, Mama Chawa, that beat say. You know, Hammer used to have a signature called the second coming.
Oh, please.
You understand? So ideally, what you women were supposed to do was, in the beginning of the game, you should have your foreplay and make sure that the man comes before he even enters you.
But a lot of men are very selfish and they don't know that.
No,
that foreplay that you're talking about, a lot of
because most of these women are impatient.
What do you mean by impatient? I don't even understand.
Small foreplay. No, wait, I want to put it. No, do it. Put it.
You're talking from experience.
No, I'm not talking from experience.
That's what your women.
I am speaking for the brotherhood. Because I'm a brotherhood.
Brotherhood.
Because I'm a brotherhood. So tell me why a man would have to, let's say, make his dick feel numb and have sex with you when he's actually not feeling anything, and you tell him that he's enjoying.
No, but if you're not enjoying, if you're not enjoying it, tell me. Let me know you are not enjoying it. But why are you using? No, why are you using the sprays and whatever? Like
because they want to help you. They want to make you come. That is the goal of men.
But it's still not working.
It's not name for no working.
Oh, it's not working.
Speak for yourself.
I said a lot of women don't come.
Ask the sisterhood.
Sisterhood. Okay.
Last night, did you come?
What was the last time you came?
No.
I said we fake it.
Please ask it again. The camera was off.
Sisterhood. Please. When was the last time you came?
Let me also.
When was the last time you had an orgasm? I said. Out of 10 people, onipa 2 pay.
Brotherhood between me and you. Be very honest with me.
They'll come and tell you that.
When was the last time you eat where you see say, nah, this one there, you don't do. I get correct orgasm.
Stay at one place. I beg, stay at one place.
It is not about the one place.
You understand? The water. Stay at one place.
It is not about one place. It is not about one place.
But what?
The whole thing is that it's a woman's world. We do so many things to just make our women feel happy, including that. Just imagine after all this satisfaction.
But why do you think you have to do so much to please me in bed? Like what you also we enjoy it more. So why do you have to go the extra mile? I mean, I enjoy it more. So yeah, you don't have to go the extra mile. You're going the extra mile because say it's hard for us to come and it's hard to please a woman.
It is because some of them mileage have been overused.
That's what you say.
Chale, if you don't put in a lot of works, it not go happen.
Sometimes too, it's not wild rumor like you're saying it.
Yes.
People marry virgins.
And they don't come.
Yeah.
I'm yet to see a virgin that has a good man that's
so I took one time I took me for a ride and then the driver was like, sister, me person me come. I'm like, okay. He said he got married to a virgin and then I'm out back home. Now anytime he wants to have sex with a wife, he has to program her mind. He has to keep repeating it. And I do, hey, baby, bio, and then baby, today I have to have sex. So, before a virgin, I'm like, okay, it's so virgin. So, but you see, so now the sex life is so boring. Into Oba say, how will she come? She's a virgin. She's not used to it. Wow, back home. She feels like she doesn't have the experience. Probably she doesn't even come and say she doesn't even enjoy it, so she doesn't want to do it. So they said that you have to program her mind, and it shouldn't be so. You understand what I'm saying? Do you understand?
I understand what you're saying.
Yeah. So it's not about wabruma like you said. I beg to differ.
Well, but I mean, Obi or your newbie day. I mean, exactly. I'm not sure your first day. It was so exciting, like the way you wanted it.
No, it wasn't at all.
Yes, but yes, still you went back for more.
Not for more. I wanted to see what is there, but unfortunately, I still didn't see.
You see, that's the way you say they enjoy.
No,
you have actually lost count of the number of times.
No, somebody initiated it. Do you understand? So I was thinking, maybe the second time would be different, but it wasn't any different. Like that's what I'm saying.
Okay. So
see,
now,
DJ, I'm telling you today, take it from me. A lot of women, they don't know what orgasm is. They've never reached the climax. Never, ever. I'm telling you.
So then why?
One time, somebody interviewed Sugar Titi. She said she has never. Do you hear that?
I beg you. But she has her own problem. That's one a spiritual problem.
It's not. See, it's common in women. Do your findings. It's so common,
I still believe that women, most of them feel like when you give so much expression of you enjoying sex because of our moral values now, it gives the impression that you are a spoiled girl or you are a spoiled. So even up to this time, there are people that they cannot even approach their own husbands for sex. People that have paid their bride price, they cannot.
Or me, they approach you.
You understand? You know it, because at the end of the day, something that you are not enjoying, why do you keep doing it? You have lost count of the number of sex you have. You can't give it a number now. And this is something you are saying you don't enjoy.
No,
how do you expect me to believe that?
So I always say that.
So now give me your reasons why you are having sex when you are not enjoying it.
Just for the other partner to feel okay.
Which one for the other partner?
And
the person is also telling
between
you,
a man and a woman.
And the person is also telling you he is not enjoying.
And Pacho on catch him say he enjoys the partner.
Enjoy, Ben.
Yeah.
Boy, Have you ever seen a man complaining that a woman is not good in bed?
Oh, they do. Yeah. They do.
How many times compared to that of your gender?
Because a lot of many people are not good in bed. That's all.
We are not good in bed.
Yeah, I said a lot. But some of you. Okay, some of you.
But women are.
I've not dealt with plenty, but I mean, but I feel it's my body. Like it's the kind of body that I have. So
what kind of body? Why would the man way? Body no?
So I don't know. So like I'm saying, I don't know. See, I don't know why I don't come.
Okay, then maybe in the northern side of Ghana they have this culture of
no, don't go there.
Circumcision.
No.
You sure say they no cut your any part of your.
I'm a fancy and a Ghana. We don't practice that.
But are you sure everything?
Female genital mutilation. We don't. Yeah. My clitoris is there. Trust me.
Are you sure?
Everything is perfect. I feel like
then I don't understand why you are not coming.
But when you put your tongue there, I'll come.
Did you say when you put your tongue?
Yeah.
What makes the difference?
I have no idea. Put your tongue there and I'll come. But your dick.
But it's all sex, so still the man made you come.
But you're supposed to make
it is not compulsory to use a dick to make a man.
It's not compulsory. Once. Okay, once.
What body type, no? Your body type, they take dick.
I'm not in this alone. No. See, a lot of women are facing the same problem. I'm telling you. A lot of people. A lot of women don't know the meaning of orgasm. Boy. Nothing. They can't sweat. They don't get wet. They don't come. And boss, just do it and let's get this over and done with, and then we are done. That's all. But that means so now you're not home, Brad. Let me go home. That is. I'm telling you. Do your findings. You get to know.
Well,
and women, we fake a lot.
But we know that you are fake people.
We can fix someone for you.
And someone can say you're fake.
See, you be lying on somebody that should be doing that. I'm telling you. Women, fear women.
This one looks like you.
Which one?
The one you know.
It's not me.
But anyway, guys watching, if you really think that men are enjoying sex than women,
hey, come home. They come home.
Let us know, please, because men, when our problem be this whole thing, don't be so that like we be very okay, helping the sisters to come, giving them orgasm and all that. These are the reasons why we suffer.
See,
you understand?
If you have a woman, sit her down. Ask her, like, baby, have I made you come before? Please be honest with you. I beg. Be honest with me. Have you come? Ask them. I said a lot of women, they fake it.
But we hear this all the time. You see, there was this girl that was having an affair with a boy, and the girl was like, stop what you are doing. And the guy was still like on doing it. Also, stop what you are doing. And the guy started, increasing the speed. And before we could hear, the girl was saying, do what you are stopping, do what you are stopping, do what you are stopping.
Where did this happen?
Oh, you can go to UCC. I'll tell you her name. Her name is Messi Saki.
And
it shock you,
It's not true.
And then what happened? Somebody will give you in phone. Make I give you in date of
I beg, it's not true.
I'm born. I'm 14.
She was faking it. She was. That's not true. She was faking it. See,
she's not faking it.
Few women live
She's
long.
not faking it. We hear women saying, "Choke me, kill me, do me this."
It's just for the fun of it.
It's not fun. They mean it.
See,
they mean it.
I can even hold your hand. Let me just me a minute. But I mean,
they mean it. After that, that's why some are just paying.
See, it got to a point. I just gave up on coming. So I'll talk to you. Don't focus on making me like. Don't. Men target to say, "Oh, I'll make it come."
The coming is not the goal.
Yes, it won't happen. Just
so what
do
is
what you
goal?
want to do, and then.
That is why then I don't understand why would you have sex if at the end of the day you
for the other partner.
For what?
For him to feel okay, for him to come.
He also wants to bring the woman in you out.
But it's not coming. Like that's what I'm saying. Probably it's not you the man, but a man. It's our body. Like
On your mobile fault or
It's not fault.
sometimes I feel maybe, and I heard maybe excess use of these new feminine wash and all these things can all contribute to these things.
Do you think it's everyone that knows?
The majority of these ladies, when the men are expanding their territory, you are also closing the kingdom, and so they will use artificial, drugs and medications to,
You people are killing yourself. Stop.
We are not killing ourselves. For me, I'm not killing myself. I will do what I can.
But I thought you said celibacy mood activated.
What do I be celebrating now?
Celibacy, like you are no more doing it.
Oh yeah. I mean.
You've changed your mind.
No. I mean, for almost about 2 years, I haven't had sex.
But okay, so do you enjoy sex?
Well, I used to, but now.
Now what?
Like from 2 years ago, I have not really enjoyed sex. Like, because I realized that when we are having sex, it's just the woman that I enjoy, and I'm not really getting any emotional connection. I don't come and all that. I don't feel that orgasmic feeling.
That's because we are not enjoying it like the way you think we are enjoying it.
No, but you see, most women are also no good in bed. They don't do things that will satisfy them.
What things are you talking about? Tell me.
This is something supposed to, like, two people are supposed to have this fun, and one will be lying down like a dead person, and then you would have to instruct the person.
Why don't you initiate this other stuff?
Now my
sex happens between two people.
My capture the fimi fear brand. I initiate. I never initiate.
No. I mean, when the do is happening.
Yes, we do our best, but me personally, like that, I hate it when you should be instructed on what to do. You understand? You are an adult. This is your boyfriend.
Like, you have to communicate.
We are communicating, but Charlie, you also should be part of the whole
doing
thing.
Sex, doing sex. Obey bait man can say, baby, suck my nipple. Baby, suck my balls. Baby, do it this way. That's communicating. So communicate with the person.
Yes,
I know who said, when you touch me here, says,
Charlie, the whole thing is that you even meet a girl, and the next thing that she will tell you is that, Charlie, me, I don't like hair though. Me, I don't like this. Me, I don't like this. I don't
she doesn't like giving head.
Like the restrictions and the, this is a whole package. You understand? It's a full package. And so once you buy the package, I don't
like what I don't like.
No, listen. It's like you buy a phone and then somebody tell you it doesn't come with a charger. Yo, how can you have sex without getting?
But set charger, charger separately.
No. So you mean when I'm having sex with you, I should go and take BJ from?
So somewhere? Don't compare phone and chargers to sex.
No, that's the reality. It should be a full pack.
No, but it goes both ways. Some men too don't like going down there.
And they're going down there. They're going down there. You know, say some of your people going down there.
Do you know that some of you people to your balls stings? Do you know that?
That idea.
And your
that idea be dangerous.
Sisterhood.
My sister with the cities, so my brother used to the cities.
More brother used to see things because
Charlie, that would they be true.
If
you are, you be did that as well.
But you still eat, man.
No, but the thing is that you see, sometimes if you look at the money you spend to order that food plus the delivery fee and the dispatch rider and then able to anybody go ball and
then let her go and bath. I mean,
some cases are beyond bathing.
No. Me, no matter what you do to me, no matter what.
But you know there are certain
if
women,
I don't bath, I don't do it.
No, you know there are certain women. Their situations are beyond bathing.
Yeah, so you help her. But you men, no.
But you see, this is the problem. Women are the type that they take offense to.
Yes. I know.
Certain things that actually is the truth. That's why most men will go like like a woman will go like after the guy got what he wants. He left me. But the thing is that what he saw when he came there, when he tells you the truth, you will take offense to it because well, we are not saying it should smell like some perfume rice with steam.
But it shouldn't smell like fish either.
You understand? But it be all there. You understand? And then Men know that women have that soft emotions that if you look at her in the face and tell her, "Mommy, I say, who control on your home crowd?"
But you can have a nice. You can say it in a nice.
See, no matter how nice you tell a woman, once the thing involves her private part or intimacy stuffs, they take offense to it, and sometimes
No, but you should know
some
how
will
to-
even curse you.